Hello dear learners, today we are going to see the MCQs from pharmaceutical chemistry from the chapter antimalarial drugs. So to start with the MCQs, first we should be aware about what are antimalarial drugs, the brief introduction about the malaria and classification, mechanism of action, uses, everything. So the brief videos on that I have shared in the description box. So to start with, first is which of the following can be used in pregnancy to treat malaria? The answer is chloroquine. Now pyrimethamine is also an antimalarial. Diazepam is not an antimalarial, whereas pyrazinamide is also not an antimalarial drug. Chloroquine is an antimalarial and pyrimethamine, chloroquine, can also be used in pregnancy. Next is antimalarial drug belonging to pyrimidine derivative is. Now there are various classes of antimalarial drug which we have already seen in the classification of antimalarial drug. One of the classes pyrimidine derivative. The examples are pyrimethamine, chloroquine, diazepam, pyrazinamide. So the name suggests pyrazinamide contains pyrazine ring. Diazepam is not an antimalarial. Chloroquine tells you about quinine. Then remaining is, now the answer is pyrimethamine. The pyrim indicates pyrimidine. Next question is, the antimalarial drug having gametocidal effect is. Now this question is concerned with the life cycle of malarial parasite. The antimalarial drug having gametocidal effect. Gametocidal and schizonticidal. Gametes and gamete is one of the form and schizont is also one of the form of malarial parasite. The gametocidal effect is shown by Primaquine. This also the descriptive life cycle we have discussed in the video. The next question is, the antimalarial drug having schizonticidal effect is. Now schizont is also one of the form and to kill the schizont is schizonticidal effect. The schizonticidal effect, now gametocidal effect was shown by Primaquine, schizonticidal effect is shown by the major antimalarial, that is chloroquine. So the answer is chloroquine. Next question is, which of the following is the drug used in treatment of malaria? Now chloroquine, you very well know that it is an antimalarial drug. INH is not an antimalarial. Diazepam is also not an antimalarial and pyrazinamide is also not an antimalarial. So the correct answer is chloroquine. Next question is, all the given drugs, all these names like hydroxychloroquine, chloroquine, amodiaquine, primaquine, all these amongst these given drugs, 4-aminoquinoline derivatives except, means all the given drugs are 4-aminoquinoline derivatives except, matlab amongst these which one is not a 4-aminoquinoline derivative? So the correct answer is, it is Primaquine, because when we studied the classification, chloroquine, hydroxychloroquine, amodiaquine belongs to 4-aminoquinoline derivatives. Next question is, malaria is caused due to, malaria causative organism is Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium malariae, all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above, and one more Plasmodium species is there, Plasmodium vivax, falciparum, malariae and ovale. So malaria is caused due to all these Plasmodium species. Next question is, why only female Anopheles mosquito is responsible for malaria? Now you might have heard this, that malaria is caused due to female Anopheles mosquito, but why only female? The options are, to obtain the blood needed to nurture their eggs. Whatever the eggs are there, for the nourishment of the eggs, females need blood. Then next option is, they can only bite, means males cannot bite. The third is male cannot bite, and fourth is male can lead to another disease. So the correct answer is, females need blood for the nourishment of the egg, to nurture their eggs. Next question is, which of the following is the disease of tropical and subtropical region? So as per the definition of malaria, the disease which belongs to tropical and subtropical region is malaria. The correct answer is malaria. Tuberculosis, gonorrhea, syphilis is not there. The next question is, malaria is transmitted from, now this all of you might be knowing very well. Malaria transmission, it is caused due to Plasmodium species and it is transmitted from the bite of female Anopheles mosquito. Not a bite of bee, not a bite of dog, and not even a bite of snake. Then next, the answer is bite of female Anopheles mosquito. Then next question is, benign malarial attack is caused due to, now there are two types of malarial attack, as there are two types of tumors, benign tumors and malignant tumors. So malarial attacks are also of two types, benign malarial attack and this malignant malarial attack. So the benign malarial attack is caused due to which Plasmodium species amongst these Plasmodium species? So the correct answer is Plasmodium vivax. It causes benign malaria, or it is responsible for benign malarial attack. The next question is, malignant malarial attack. See, this is the second type of malarial attack which is known by the name malignant. Malignant malarial attack is caused due to which of these Plasmodium species? The correct answer is, it is caused due to Plasmodium falciparum. Next question is, forms of malarial parasite are. Now malarial parasite life cycle we have already discussed in the respective video which I have given, the link of which I have given it in the description box. The forms of malarial parasites according to the life cycle are, they exist in the trophozoite form, merozoite form, schizonts form, and only this remaining option is erythrocytes. Erythrocytes are RBCs. So schizonts, merozoites, trophozoites, they are the forms of malarial parasite except erythrocytes. So the correct answer is erythrocytes. Next question is, sexual life cycle of malarial parasite is known as. Now again, same as that of malarial attacks, there are two phases of life cycle. First phase is sexual life cycle and another one is a sexual life cycle phase. So the sexual life cycle of malarial parasite is known as what? Either it is known as sporogony, schizogony, zygomany, agamy. What is it? The correct answer is sporogony. Spore form is sexual form. Then next question is asexual life cycle. Now see, sexual we have covered, now it is asexual life cycle of malarial parasite is known as, again the same options are there. The asexual life cycle of malarial parasite is known as schizogony. Next question is exoerythrocytic form of malarial parasite. Now this like this, whatever we discussed, there are two types of life cycle, sexual and asexual, and this two types of attacks of malaria. So the same way malarial parasite forms are there. Basically two main forms are there, erythrocytic form and exoerythrocytic form. So whatever we discussed, trophozoite, merozoites, sporozoites are the forms of malarial parasite, basically which are divided into two major classes, erythrocytic form of malarial parasite and exoerythrocytic form of malarial parasite. So this exoerythrocytic form of parasite occurs predominantly in which organ or which system? So the first option is hepatocytes, second is mast cells, then third is liver cells, and fourth is both A and C. The correct answer is both A and C, because predominantly exoerythrocytic form occurs. Exoerythrocytic means what? Exo means outside, erythrocytes means RBCs, that means outside the RBCs. So predominantly liver cells are there, but liver cells are also known as hepatocytes. So the answer is both A and C. Next question is, dash belongs to 9-aminoacridine class. Now this again we are here on the classification. Which drug amongst these, pentaquine, chloroquine, isopentaquine, quinacrine, belongs to 9-aminoacridine class? So the correct answer is quinacrine. Next question is, dash belongs to 8-aminoquinoline class. Now 8-aminoquinoline class, again the correct answer is pentaquine. The options if you will see, they are same almost. Next question is, dash belongs to biguanide class. Now biguanide includes proguanil, cycloguanil, etc. Pentaquine, amodiaquine, quinacrine is not the answer. So the correct answer is Proguanil. Then chloroquine, mechanism of action. Chloroquine acts by which mechanism? Either it inhibits mycolic acid synthesis, either it inhibits hemozoin formation, either it inhibits benzoin formation, or either DHFR inhibition, dihydrofolate reductase inhibition. What the mechanism is? So chloroquine ka chlorine, which is the electron withdrawing part, it inhibits the hemozoin formation, which is the polymeric form of heme, which is actually should be, which hemozoin form should be inhibited. Then next question is, Amoquine is the brand name of famous antimalarial chloroquine. So the correct answer is chloroquine. I thank you all for the patient listening, and also refer to the videos link which I have given it in the description box. Thank you.